Hi everyone, today I will show you my attempt at extracting palladium from e-waste. Palladium is a platinum group metal that is often added to silver in order to improve its mechanical and chemical properties. Although rarely, it can make up to 10% of silver paste that is used to form contact surfaces on electronic components. Because of its small concentration in electronic components, I decided to first use an additional concentration step. To do so, I first treated the crushed components with diluted nitric acid, then I cemented the precious metals from the obtained solution, then finally I separated silver and palladium from the cemented alloy. But first, let us start at the beginning. Cementation is a simple and straightforward process with which one can reduce precious metals present in solution and turn them to metallic powder. I used a piece of copper foil to reduce silver and palladium ions present in solution. When the reaction stopped and no more crystals grew on the copper surface, I drained the liquid, washed the crystals, dried them and added them to my cemented silver storage. For the second step, I weighed out 206 grams of cemented silver, which I then redissolved in diluted nitric acid. Warning: nitrogen oxides produced in the reaction are toxic and will go through your standard gas mask filters. Because I don't have a wet scrubber that would be able to deal with all the gases this reaction produced, I took a page out of a big corporation's book and let nature deal with it. A day later, concentration of nitric acid fell so much reaction pretty much stopped. To dissolve some more silver, I heated the solution on a hot plate. After an hour, I filtered the solution and saved the filters with the remaining undissolved silver. When I finished with filtering the solution, I dissolved 112 grams of sodium chloride in distilled water and then used the prepared solution to precipitate silver chloride. When the silver chloride settled down, the solution turned reddish-yellow, which is a good sign because palladium compounds generally have either red or yellow color. The color was proof enough, but I still decided to dissolve some tin in concentrated hydrochloric acid to do a stannous chloride test. Next day, I filtered off the palladium-containing solution and washed the silver chloride precipitate. Because I know that cementation of palladium with copper is slow, I tried using a zinc plate. This was the moment I knew this was going to be a two-part video because zinc plate pacified the moment it touched the solution. I knew I will have to use copper, which is going to take time. Thank you for watching and see you next week.